Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Cut up butternut squash. When cooked, you'll quickly notice the difference between spaghetti and butternut squash. Butternut squash has a smooth, almost creamy texture, but spaghetti squash has a stringy texture. Because butternut squash does not form these strands, it can't be used in place of spaghetti squash.
Let's help you make your mark.
The skin on the butternut squash is very tough, so if you prefer you can pop it in the microwave before you start preparing it for 2 to 3 minutes to make it softer and easier to remove. However, if you're slow roasting the squash, you can leave the skin on as it is edible and gets softer when baked.
Make your mark, take our lead.
If you just want to eat the butternut squash noodles on their own, I recommend keeping it simple with the butter or olive oil, salt and pepper and Parmesan cheese. But I think the sweet and nutty taste of butternut squash lends itself really well to a creamy sauce like Alfredo or a mushroom sauce. 3 November 2019.
Let's help you make your mark.
It looks like pasta and has a texture like pasta, but it's still probably not going to fool anyone. The flavor is very mild. You might even call it bland, with none of that sweet, earthy, squash-like flavor we associate with butternut and acorn squash. 5 September 2019.
Let's help you make your mark.
Butternut squash. Spaghetti squash. What's the difference? Butternut squash is prized for its sweet, nutty flavor and creamy smooth texture. Break open its beige shell and behold its smooth, Titian flesh with neatly clumped seeds in the center. Its classic bell shape and smooth rind make it an easy squash to pick out of a crowd. 1 October 2019.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.